7 reasons why your business should invest in good social media tools. The best way to reach an audience is to go to them, and with more than half of the world's population using some form of social media, it is undoubtedly the best way to reach your target audience as a business. As a matter of fact, people are too glued to their electronic devices today and spend several hours scrolling through their feeds in the name of social media. This is the perfect opportunity to put their obsession to use as a business. These days, most businesses are present on multiple social media platforms, with all of them vying for attention. We are already aware of how social media benefits businesses, but it is no longer enough to be on social media platforms merely. Companies need to have a solid online presence, and this can be hard enough to do on its own. Add managing multiple accounts to the mix, and it becomes even more messy and complex. Thankfully, there are resources out there for businesses to manage their social media accounts. Social media tools are there to organize and unite all your accounts under one interface. In this video, we will talk about 7 ways your business can benefit from investing in good social media tools. But before that, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you would never miss any of our future videos. Now, let's begin. Number 1. Simplifies tasks. What good is technology if we don't use it? Similarly, why manage your business's social media accounts manually when there are tools to make the work easier? There are social media tools for everything from content curation to data analysis. They take the hard work out and improve efficiency for you. Some tools organize conversations, some schedule and publish content, while others automate certain tasks. Using different tools together works even better at simplifying tasks. Publishing and analytics tools can be used together to figure out what type of content works and to publish them at the right time. Meet Edgar is a social media tool with awesome automation features. It can automate publishing and generate content updates and post them. Hootsuite and Percolate are other tools that allow you to post content across all your platforms simultaneously. So get your business some good social media tools and simplify your operations. Number 2. It saves time when working with multiple accounts. Managing social media accounts is very time-consuming, and having multiple accounts just worsens it. Keeping track of content and user interaction across all your social media accounts can quickly become an organizational nightmare, and each platform has a different user interface to get used to and a different login to remember. A good social media tool gives you a single interface to manage all your accounts and keeps track of each. This saves you time since you only have to log into one place to see all your platforms. Neither will you have to keep so many different site operations in mind for different platforms. CoSchedule is one example of a social media tool that links all your platforms. Buffer is another example of an organizational tool for managing social media accounts. Number 3. Data analysis and reports. Improvement is very important in business, and learning more about your clients allows you to improve on your products or services as per their preferences. This is where social media tools come in. Most tools have some form of data analysis feature that enable you to gauge what works and what doesn't for your clients. Suvi is a management tool that has a really captivating way of visualizing data. It presents data reports in a really striking and simple format. Agorapulse is another tool with some serious analytics and report features. You can easily personalize content for your customers with all this information. Help your business to grow and get some good social media tools to keep your customers happy and save yourself unnecessary work. Number 4. Enhances the aesthetic appeal of your posts. We have all probably heard the adage, "A picture is worth 1,000 words." Images are undoubtedly an excellent means of capturing thoughts, ideas, or concepts that may be difficult to express with words. Tweets with images get retweeted nearly twice as much as those without, if you need more proof that images draw a lot of attention. Obviously, including striking visuals in social media posts is very important, and there are social media tools designed to do just that. Canva is one tool that has templates that can be edited to create stunning visual content, and it can be as simple to use as just dragging and dropping. Pablo is another option with a drag-and-drop editor for even the most inept. Number 5. Simplifies content curation. Money makes the world go round. Content makes the social media world go round. Businesses have to post enough content to stay active on social media, and they simply aren't up to the challenge sometimes. curated content can save the day in such cases, even though they do not drive traffic or directly affect sales. Curated content can add variety to your social media posts and reduce the amount of content you need to create. But selecting what to post can present some challenges, especially when it comes to customer preferences. Again, there are social media tools specifically made to help you select and post curated content. QUUU.co takes the difficulty of figuring out what your audience will like and picks content based on your audience's preferences. Number 6. Saves cost. Investing in good social media tools can help you to save money in the long run by increasing efficiency and reducing costs on other marketing methods. Time saved equals money saved. With the right tools, you can simplify tasks and get the information to make relevant posts. This will mean less time and resources spent performing certain tasks or creating content that may not be relevant. That time could be spent on something more beneficial to the business. You will also require fewer employees to do the same work while bringing in more customers through improved efficiency. Fewer employees will mean less money marked for pay and maybe even better bonuses for the ones your business does employ. That money could go into building up the business in some other way. Whatever you choose to do with that saved money, the bottom line is that your profit margin will increase. Number 7. Achieve your goals. It is much easier to remain consistent and active on social media platforms with the right tools. With publishing tools, for example, you can set a schedule to share content regularly. Using social media tools to free up time also allows you to engage with customers in real time, which will increase customer satisfaction. Happy customers are loyal customers by extension. When your customers are satisfied with your product or service quality, they are also more likely to recommend your business to others. Basically, investing in social media tools means you are arming yourself with the resources to make your social media goals, like increasing your online presence and reach, a reality. There are a lot of different social media tools out there, much more confidently, some of which are bound to match your needs and requirements. With all those benefits we mentioned earlier, it is evident that social media tools are an excellent investment. If you are looking forward to growing your business and thriving, you should consider making some of these tools necessary. That's all for today's video, and we hope you liked it. If you did, please like the video and click on the subscribe button and turn on notifications so that you get notified whenever we post a video. If there's anything you think we missed, be sure to prompt us in the comments section below, and don't forget to share. See you next time. Bye!